and everybody up and down and up and down and up and down and up. Feel the burn and down and up and down and up and down.
The Boeing Workout will not be seen tonight, so that we may bring you the following episode of Almost Live.
And down and...
Good evening. Earlier this week, I announced that I would not be seeking a third term as governor of the state of Washington. As governor, I was forced to deal with a large number of issues. However, there is one issue facing all of us that demands my full attention. It's that important. From this day forward, my life will be totally devoted to just one thing: getting that damn Almost Live show off the air. Any questions? Good. Where's Keister?